Are you trying to decide between Neo Financial and EQ Bank? You are not alone. Many people wonder which one is better for their banking needs. In this video, we'll compare Neo Financial and EQ Bank to help you make the right choice. Both of these options offer modern banking solutions, but they have different features that set them apart. New Financial is known for its digital banking services. It focuses on offering high interest savings accounts and cashback rewards. Users can enjoy a seamless online experience and easy access to their funds. Plus, they have a unique rewards program that lets you earn money back on purchases. On the other hand, EQBank is all about high interest savings and no monthly fees. They provide a straightforward online banking experience with great interest rates on savings accounts. EQBank also offers features like international money transfers, which can be very handy. Now, let's look at the key differences. Neo Financial is more geared towards earning cash back on spending, while EQ Bank focuses on savings with high interest. If you want rewards on your daily purchases, Neo might be the way to go. But if saving money is your priority, EQ Bank could be a better fit. When it comes to features, Neo has its cashback rewards and an easy to use app. EQ Bank shines with its high interest on savings and no fees. Both are user friendly, but they cater to different needs. In terms of pricing, Neo Financial has no monthly fees, but it may charge for certain services. EQ Bank also has no monthly fees and is very transparent about its costs. So, who should choose what? If you want to earn rewards while spending, go for Neo Financial. If you are looking to save more with high interest, EQ Bank is your best bet. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.